Okay, so welcome to the channel. So one thing we want to be able to do here is we want to see if you have a Google form, for instance. So this Google form, if you click on publish, so many of us say you should be able to create a Google form. If you don't know how to create a Google form, I can drop the link description in the description of the video. Let's say you have a Google form like this, and you want to embed it on your website so that you have a situation whereby people don't go outside the website to fill the form. So if you have a Google form like this, so this is just a recruitment for a graduate internship program. So if you have a form like this and you want to embed it on your website, so what do you do? Now, if you're the owner of the form, you are going to have this option to let me see, embed HTML. You click these three dots and say embed HTML, right? So you see the width and the height. So you can choose a width of, let's say, 1,000 so that it can spread quite some distance. Then you can choose a height of, let's say, 1,500 or 2,000 so that the entire form is embedded on the website. You can just copy this link. Then you go to your website. You can now click on add new post. If you want to make it a post, you can switch from visual. Now, in WordPress, you have visual, you have text, right? So visual is where you want to just type your normal content, right? Now, text is where you want to write, let's say HTML, you need to embed any scripting language, right? So if I say bold, my name is Victor, right? So what's going to happen, see the way it's going to appear like your text editor. If I switch, I'm going to see this is bold. So if I need to embed any HTML kind of code, I'm going to put it this way, right? So if you analyze this is an iframe that have a source doc Google form, right? It's embedded. Now it has a width of 1,000, have a height of 2,000. It doesn't have a border frame. The margin height is also 0. Margin width is also 0. Then the what's it called, the iframe load. Now the iframe closes, opening tag, closing tag. Then before the form loads, if there's internet connectivity, the text that we show is going to say, okay, recruitment form, form loading, right? You can change that so that that's what the person is going to see if the form is loading. So I can copy the title of this recruitment page to be the page title, right? I can now put this under, let's say, innovation and entrepreneurship, or I can just even add a new category and call that category vacancies, right? Vacancies, right? So vacancies, so I can add this new category and it's automatically going to post this guy under this new category. So for posts, right, I could say, okay, my featured image is going to be VimTech Hub, right? Let me use VimTech Hub, or let me use this, or this, or okay, let me use this VimTech Hub. Then that's going to be my featured image. Then for tags, I will just use tech internships in Port Harcourt, vacancies in Port Harcourt, Rivers State internships. So I can add more to it just for the purpose of this lesson, right? So I can add all of these keywords, right? So I'm good to go. I can publish. So I've successfully embedded. So if I view the post, so you're going to see that I'm going to see something like this. So it's just going to load the form, right? So all of the content is going to be here. So you can actually fill this form within the page. If you check this link, right, elsewhere, you're going to see that you can send this link to somebody and the person can come to the website, right, and actually fill the entire form while on the page, right? While on the page without the person needing to like go off the page. Now we can actually do some things with this sidebar. This sidebar, you could have a store, you could have some products, you could sell some things, you could put some comments, you could put some about us, you could put some kind of text. I think we can do that in another series. Thank you very much. So you could try it out. If you created a form, you can actually embed it on a website.